Let's look at an engine flywheel designed in NX, which includes associated part manufacturing information, or PMI. This PMI data flows seamlessly into Teamcenter, enabling characteristics to be created and managed for a control plan. Typically, managing these dimensional changes in a disconnected environment is time-consuming and error-prone. Within NX and Teamcenter, this integration allows for the process to dramatically be streamlined. Let's see how. In NX, PMIs are organized by dimension type on the left-hand side. Using the inspector feature, you can see all the PMIs you want to define as characteristics. Their values and parameters are displayed clearly. You then publish these characteristics directly to Teamcenter. Because the engine flywheel part already exists in Teamcenter, the attachment section holds the specific file type for the characteristic data. The Characteristics tab now displays all imported characteristics. At this stage, you're ready to consume those characteristics in the control plan. Within the control plan, the PMI section, with its filtered search, makes it easy to find the specific part you need. You can view associated characteristics against the 3D model, on a 2D drawing, or in a table view. Simply select the characteristics you want to import. And they're now associated with the control plan. You can maintain full traceability, seeing exactly how and where each characteristic has been used, including the source item details, essential for managing change. Now, let's look at how revisions are handled. Suppose you've already imported 3 characteristics, but need to update the engine flywheel. A new revision is created with an added radial dimension, or PMI, that changes the dimension to a diameter of 205. Using Inspector, you run the characterization again. You'll see a new entry, PC11, in the navigator, and PC4 updated with its new nominal value. Publishing this to Teamcenter updates the shared data. Back in the control plan, you're notified that the engine flywheel part is no longer at its latest revision. A clear symbol indicates this status. The Compare Revisions feature makes it easier to spot differences. Yellow highlights modifications, green indicates new dimensions. By selecting balloon number PC4, you can directly compare previous and revised values. Once reviewed, you can update the control plan to include the new characteristic data, including the new radius dimension. In summary, this workflow demonstrates how part manufacturing information created in NX can be easily transformed into characteristics in Teamcenter Quality's control plans. It also shows how revisions are seamlessly managed, ensuring how control plans stay accurate and up to date, all while reducing manual effort and improving traceability.